Number 1. 1966 Ford F100, $2,500, Maywood, Oregon. This mid-1960s F100 is powered by a 352 V8 paired with a Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, a classic Ford drivetrain known for smooth cruising. While the engine runs, the noted lifter noise and non-drivable condition indicate internal wear that will require attention. With relatively low indicated mileage and a clean title, this truck presents a solid restoration candidate, especially for enthusiasts familiar with Ford's durable FE series engines. Number 2. 1979 Ford F-250 pickup, $2,500, Colorado Springs, Colorado. A one-owner camper special equipped with a 460 cubic inch V8, this F-250 delivers strong torque and towing capability. The automatic transmission and reported good running condition make it mechanically appealing, though it needs tires. Late 1970s Ford trucks are increasingly collectible, and the camper special package adds value for those seeking a capable vintage hauler. Number 3. 1972 Ford Ranchero GT, $4,900, Snohomish, Washington. This Ranchero GT blends muscle car styling with pickup utility, featuring a 351 Cleveland V8 and automatic transmission. It runs and drives, but requires a carburetor rebuild and minor repairs. With power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, it offers comfort alongside performance. Some rust is present, but overall it remains a desirable project with strong collector appeal. Number 4. 1970 Chevrolet C10 4x4 Longbed, $4,500, Henderson, Nevada. A highly desirable classic truck, this C10 has been upgraded with a 383 V8 and four-wheel drive, significantly enhancing its performance and versatility. The manual transmission adds driver engagement, while newer wheels, tires, and a fuel tank improve usability. With its solid foundation, this truck has excellent potential as either a lifted off-road build or a classic restomod. Number 5. 1986 Ford F-150 Supercab XLT Lariot, $1,950, Bruceville, Texas. This Supercab model offers extended cab practicality and comfort features such as air conditioning, power windows, and cruise control. Powered by a 5.0 V8, it was refurbished for daily use, but now requires engine repair due to a bent pushrod. Despite this issue, it remains a strong restoration candidate with desirable factory options and a clean title. Number 6, 1981 Ford F-150, TWE $200, Bonanza, Oregon. A one-owner truck equipped with the reliable 300 cubic inch inline-6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Known for durability, this engine is a favorite among classic truck enthusiasts. With good brakes, tires, and a functioning heater, this F-150 runs and drives well, making it a dependable and honest classic work truck. Number 7, 1981 Datsun 720 pickup, $4,750 to Marysville, Washington. A well-preserved survivor, this Datsun 720 features the robust 2.2-liter inline-4 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. Recent maintenance, including a head gasket replacement and timing chain service, enhances reliability. With mostly original condition and all systems functioning, this compact truck is a great example of early Japanese pickup durability and efficiency. Number 8, 1997 Ford F-150, $999, Sacramento, California. This four-wheel drive F-150 is a non-running project with high mileage and missing title documentation, sold with a bill of sale only. While it offers potential for parts or off-road use, the lack of a title significantly limits its usability, best suited for experienced builders or as a donor vehicle. Number 9, 1938 Ford Model 85 1.5-ton truck, $15,000, Ellensburg, Washington. A beautifully preserved pre-war heavy-duty truck featuring the iconic flathead V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. Dual rear wheels and a stake bed emphasize its original work purpose. With restoration work completed and extensive documentation included, this truck represents an authentic piece of American automotive history and is highly appealing to collectors. Number 10, 1963 Ford F-100, $6,000, Leavenworth, Washington. This F-100 sits on a 1-ton frame, enhancing its durability and load capacity. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual, it is described as a daily driver with recent maintenance and new tires. Minor cosmetic needs and light rust are present, but overall it is a solid, functional classic that balances originality with usability.